Fish pathology. In 1980, commercial carp culture expanded, particularly in Andhra Pradesh, then West Bengal, Orissa, and Karnataka. In addition of IMC, that is Indian Mijika, that is catfish and mural also practice. Shellfish culture, traditionally in Pokli field of Kerala, Airis of West Bengal, and Gajnis in Karnataka. Commercial shark shrimp culture 1980 onwards along the coast of India. What are the classical description? First was Senesco in 1970. The incidence of disease is due to the breakdown of the delicate balance between host pathogen and environment. It was given by Sinesco in 1970. Intensive culture offers ideal environment for disease outbreak because such systems stress the host and favor virulent pathogen. Environment hazard. Use of chemical disinfectants and antibiotics in fish. Stress is usually related to stocking density, environment quality, handling or transport, intensive culture practices with poorly controlled feed use and waste product. Due to HPI axis stimulation, that is hypothalamus pituitary interrenal axis stimulation, adaptive changes occur that causes the stress hormone to initiate and that result into corticosteroids, that is product of corticosteroid is released. What is general adaptation syndrome? Changes which occur in response to environment. This is called as general adaptation syndrome. These are in the main non-specific physiological and biological changes taking place in three phases. The first one is the alarm reaction, the stage of resistance, the stage of exhaustion. Changes occurring in GAS, that is General Adaptive Syndrome, are neither specific or non-stress specific. Even comprising GAS are mediated by hormonal and nervous reaction. Output of ACTH, that is corticosteroid hormone, and corticosteroid results in sodium and chlorine ion retention, while that is potassium are excreted. There is an increase in blood glucose level in nitrogen retardation. Thyroid is stimulated. Thyroid is stimulated and thyroxine output is increased. In the blood, lymphocytopenia and neurotrophilia are produced. Sympathetic nervous system also react, resulting in splenic contraction, increased respiration rate and rise in blood pressure. Role of water quality in fish disease. Advises shrimp farmer maintain reservoir pond for pre-treating the inlet water. Increasing aeration, reduction of feeding rate, control of phytoplankton bloom, and water flow management are the important steps for abating low dissolved oxygen content. Soil moisture has to be between 12 to 20% and the pH is 7.5 to 8. Adding agriculture lime in recirculation or flow through system by dipping lime into the water or passing water through bed of oyster cell. Low or fluctuating pH, low alkaline or low hardness condition can be corrected. Kinney in 1980 has given the four major group of disease. First is sporadic disease, then second is epizootic disease. Sporadic disease occurs sporadically in comparatively few members of a population, and if epizootic means large scale outbreak. Panzootic, which occur in large areas, and enzootic, which persist or reoccur as a low level.